Igbo never na game take no come on no think that. Anyway, show very short video on choko unu nene. That video all very short. Mana biko just nene the video nene chaya onwe ho some choking. Kaikwe just Skype obele nkata maka that video.
No be Buhari wey be say Buhari wey be terrorist. Buhari wey be bandit na I carry a freedom fighter Mazi Nnamdi Kanu go lock up. Now where he dey? Where he dey? You say na God holds all the power. Tinubu dey do your own, give am last sentence. There's nothing they fit do am. He no get anything wey they fit do to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is a freedom fighter. Tinubu Shegumi, the last the recent interview where he do, he thought say the federal government knows the bandits by their name and by the hideout where they did. Say at times if you want to go for peacekeeping, if you want to go and meet them for peace talk, then they give us security agencies where they go with. I know they go there only. Say the federal government knows. What did they do? Tinubu they do the one way they do the one way they do. You know, he carry a freedom fighter go law. Nothing Tinubu fit do Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Nothing. Tinubu is a fed government. He fed Nigeria woefully. You know, even organizer sorrow come be this thing. So many people they thought that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu they hold himself. They hold himself how? The man said he no need whatever they are promising or whatever bargain they want. Wait till he need the freedom of his people. Is it hard for him to ask? The one where all these nonsense people they do. They say na Tiger Base. No go better for Tiger Base. If they see you with maybe anything related with Biafra clothes or wear this thing, or wear anything wey be Mazi Nnamdi Kanu clothes, they go hold you say you be IPOB. IPOB simply means indigenous people of Biafra. Now still the same when federal government they try tag IPOB bad name. There's no bandits where they worry. They know their talks where they use them. They try use them destroy the image of the Biafrans. Why they know they hold the Oduduwas? Why they know they hold the Yoruba nation? But if anybody wear Biafra clothes, they go come after the person. Now they whine on themselves for this country. Now they whine on themselves. Is Biafra a crime? Una write Biafra against the Nigerian constitution. Free this man, free Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Let that man have his freedom. If una know they use una nonsense power over. Now God gets all the power. Forget all this one what they do. That's land at 6 feet all of us go end. That's why they have to now Buhari wey put that man that place, where arrest him, where kidnap him. Where Buhari wey kidnap Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Where Buhari dey today. No be Mazi Nnamdi Kanu dey alive today. God collect and want. Tell am say na me, na God hold all the power. And they whine on ourselves. Free Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. All low people.
Thank you very much. I'm an Insecurity. Now video. Our young brother can, benite. And I so much have to encourage him because for the reason, even when the system is messed up, for the reason, mother be back in we put on where no this kind of sensitive information. And some of the things key highlight it there because I'm trying to teach you people some key points up in a video. In a video because it's only one reaction or naturally when it's in a video free your mind, don't have one. Oh good like it or on pay attention to the message. Just pay attention to it. Then this woman highlighted a key point which is very significant. Osina Tinubu makwa mali that no jirondo ya no osisi enele anya odida obuokwu ya na ada. So many things has gone down in our society today being Ndi Igbo, which is Ndi Igbo has been trained. Some of our people has been trained to know that Ndi Igbo are from Hananya. And an average Igbo man ya sabotage onye Igbo ibia ko follow no likwazo n'ọcha of authority. An average Igbo man actually lead. An average Igbo man actually ka mmadụ duwe ya, ka mmadụ lead ya. Mana ọ na-achọ ka o lead ya mmadụ. Obuna ikwero ka mmadụ lead gị, then how are you supposed to lead others? Kezi ihe ya mụta, what information are you passing to the people in actually ime lead? I can abia ukuchabekwana m, what information are you trying to pass to the people in actually lead? Mazi Nnamdi Kanu anọ na nga several years now. And okwu ekwesị na Buhari mere Mazi Nnamdi Kanu arrest and warn today. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu Kanundu. Tinubu, you should do the right thing now. You should do the right thing now. Because now I no go to Nigeria no one as a whole. I have only been one single person on your Boko Haram as a Jalanga. Afunu beru monya apụta si na ekpe ndị ikpe si no Boko Haram ha jelenga mana still gịnị ka ha na-eme? Ha na-free the Boko Haram Jonathan arrested during his time. Almost all the whole Boko Haram niile Jonathan mele arrest throughout his time. Always hanching and serve prison terms today. Which the latest one about 2 weeks ago somebody released the classified information that now over 1,000 Boko Haram members are transported to Abuja using military aircraft. Using military aircraft to Abuja. That is same week I can't on Abuja. Nigerian government and police using the police to deny it. While an Andocha US embassy close go down in Nigeria so far. Mark here 25 states in the country no go area. And like 5 or 10 abogene is dead zone see across so in Nigeria you on your own. Man at the country anonymia need deny such atrocities no mereme. They deny it totally, they denied it. Why China actually wipe that thing from the surface of the earth as if that it does not exist. Asike na normally here Yesu kunye menia. Sunday Igbo ho made the same thing with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Today Sunday Igbo ho na free. Ndị Hausa niile na-egbu mmadụ and oburu na amaria, they went and negotiated with these people. Gwakene no mofu onye Mazi Nnamdi Kanu togolo egbe n'isi sisi gbagbuo. Why not it happen that ka ameli ihe ọbụna ndị niile na ya kịta ndị amị na-achọ every means possible ha eji invade their neighbor. Nigerian army na-achọ every means possible ha eji invade their neighbor. And will be tied to you that person ha eji nwete a tangible thing ha eji invade their neighbor. Will be tied onto you because ọbụ na ha ya aba mana ka ikwu nke bụ eziokwu will be tied to you onye ha eji achieve that their mission ha nwe na Igbo. Ejuzie ndị a kedu ihe bụ their mission towards Igbo land? Ọ bụrụ na ịmara ọkịta aka ngwa gị, one of the biggest oil was discovered in Imo State. Another one na kepu na enwere nke discover between the boundary between Enugu and Anambra State. Ya ka wụkwa allegedly nka na another to rumor. Ana na-agwa gị that na gas or something enwe discover in Imo State. Amarom no mmanụ, amarom no diesel, amarom no gas nke ọbụna bụ, but a mineral resources was discovered in Imo State. Then allegedly again, enwere nke ọbụna etekiro time ya oyebutela Anambra na Enugu ezigbote ọgụ. Mana ka mgbachigodo nkịtị because anytime we are ready for it, ayabia. Then these people actually invade their neighbor by all means. Man, every mineral resources niile discover n'ugwu Hausa. Gold ha nwa na mine, kerosene ha nwa charcoal ha nwa coal ha nwa diamond ha nwa na egwu. Ihe nwa everything ọbụna na-eme ha nwa na egwu elie gị agbam. Still ozubela ha. For being an Igbo person, I keep saying this statement. For being an Igbo person in this country, you are already an enemy to the system. Do not let anybody convert you to your own brother. Do not let anybody convert you cable an enemy to your own brother. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu knows it is time to let him go. Tinubu, do the right thing. That young man, Naba, no long way.